everyone. I am Sajini Niyam from AAA College of Engineering and Technology. By the end of this video, I am sure you will understand going green is not a choice but a need. In recent times, the term going green has become a daily discussion in everyone's life. What does it mean to be going green? Does it mean being good with the plants? No. Does it mean feeling sick in the car? No. Looking like a frog or a green alien? No. It is drawing on two sides of a paper instead of one. Turning the lights on only when you need them. Giving the clothes you have outgrown to someone smaller than you. Reminding the grown-ups to be green too. Thinking of new ways to conserve. So, going green is an approach in which includes what eco-friendly measures to save the world. So it is only possible we all join our hands. Well, I have few questions. Do you know a lake which was in fire in India? In which year? Oh well, completely unknown. The lake was in fire in India in 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019 in Bangalore. Bangalore had 300 lakes and by 1970 all these lakes either disappeared or completely polluted because nearly 1200 million tons of municipal wastewater enter these lakes, and by 2025 all these people citizens will run out of water in this particular area. The town Gurugram was given to Guru Dronacharya by his students at Guru Dakshina. The citizens of Gurugram had set up a forest called Aravalli Biodiversity Park by planting nearly almost lakhs and 25,000 trees. So later they thought that it took so much time to reach Delhi from Gurugram. So in order to get a faster transport, they decided to build a 6-lane highway across its entire forest. But the saddest part is that the 6-lane highway was actually built by those people who actually planted this entire forest. Next, when was the last time when the air quality index of Delhi hit 999? In which year? Any guesses? Yes, the air quality index of Delhi hit 999 in 2016, 2017, 2018 and 2019. Do you know about air quality? Air quality is good only when the air quality is between 0 to 50. When it reaches 350, it will be very hazardous and it will cause severe disorders. Think when it reaches about 999, it is equivalent to walking in a gas chamber under a sky. Reports that Brazil Amazon rainforest, the deforestation rate is about only 5% in August 2019. It increases up to 83% in October 2019. So see, India has a population of about 1.267 billion of human population and tree population of only about 35 billion, leading to 28 trees per person. So let us think a situation when if world loses oxygen from these oxygen giving trees for just 5 seconds, not 5 hours or 5 minutes. In just 5 seconds, the world would look completely different. Without oxygen, our houses, tall buildings, dams and any structure made up of concrete would collapse instantly, since oxygen is the binding agent in concrete. Without oxygen, concrete is nothing but dust. The effect will be in humans too. See, if you are out in the sun, you can expect a severe sunburn, since the ozone layer which protects us from UV rays is made up of only oxygen. So if the earth lost oxygen for just 5 seconds, the world would become a very dangerous place to live in. So without oxygen, there would not be any fire, there would not be any combustion process. So all mode of transport except electricity would fail instantly. All the planes flying in the sky would fall on earth, and all mode of vehicles running in petrol and diesel would stop instantly on the roads. The beautiful and blue sky would turn completely dark. In between all this, listen, the earth crust made up of 45% of oxygen would crumble completely, and it will crumble until nothing is left and send everyone into free fall. Looks scary. Do you think we will alive after this situation? Not right. We don't want the situation, right? So let's start planting trees to maintain the oxygen level and curbing the rising CO2 level from our atmosphere. So do we need more lanes, or do we need more fresh air, or do we need more days to live? Think for a while. Do you think it's really amazing to wear a mask and walking into a classroom? Air doesn't come from air purifiers but from trees. Yeah, water doesn't get from water purifiers or aquaguard, but from rivers, underground water. So we are all in a need to get our education in the right path, and we are in need to speak up, hear up, and think about the solutions to face these problems. So what I am trying to say is we have to save our Mother Earth by going green before it's gone. So if we change our earth by going green, it is not only good for our environment but also for our health. So we all, everyone in this earth should think that my family member should not die because of lack of oxygen, and my children should not wake up with asthma. With that, I conclude. Thank you.